Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing this Samsung 24-inch IPS monitor. You will get all the details about this monitor in this video, so stay tuned till the end. I got this monitor from Flipkart on offer for only rupees 8,000 rupees, and I'll put the links in the description down below. Be sure to check that out. So let's start with the unboxing first. Inside the box we have the plastic stand, and this is made of a good plastic, and setting up is pretty easy. All you gotta do is just put this screw on the back of this stand, and that's it. And the monitor comes with a 24-watt power adapter and 2-pin power cable, which is quite long enough. And it comes with this HDMI cable, which looks premium. It is a high quality HDMI cable. Now let's talk about this monitor itself. It looks amazing with this borderless design. However, the edges of this monitor are too sharp because of this bezel-less design, so be careful. The build quality is not that good in this area. The edges of the monitor are sharp, so be careful not to cut yourself. The monitor is surprisingly heavy even if it's not fully set up, but overall it looks amazing. This monitor is equipped with various ports including VGA, HDMI, and as well as for the power port for connectivity option. The monitor has a practical vertical tilt adjustment, which is good if you like to adjust it according to your preference. You can adjust the picture mode, brightness, contrast, and even switch to eye saver mode using the joystick at the back of the monitor. The image and video quality are very good, making it suitable for the tasks like video editing, Photoshop, and gaming. It has a 75Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync, which is great for gaming. Overall, it is a good monitor and worth the price. It doesn't have an built-in speaker, but that's okay. If you prefer a bigger monitor, I recommend getting the 27-inch version of the same model in the future. That's it for today's guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.